15 winning window seat ideas for every room. We cannot resist a good IKEA hack like this DIY by the bloggers behind Frugal Family Times. The cozy window seat shown here is a clever built-in made out of 2 small mom drawer units. Each one is firmly bolted to the wall for enhanced stability. The shelving in between each unit and a solid MDF topper adds both strength and function. It is essential to know that this window seat was constructed for a child. Additional reinforcements may be needed to accommodate an adult's weight. It's easy to feel like you are floating on a cloud when sitting in this window seat created by Carrie Rosenthal Interiors. The cozy built-in seat with drawer storage is topped off with plump and super soft faux fur pillows in white. 2 shibori-style accent pillows add a pop of blue color. When designing this home gym, the team at Blackband Design wanted to keep the floor space free and clear for things like jumping rope and other activities. Built-in window seating with cubby storage made the most of every square inch. A window seat can work in any room in your home, including the bathroom. Here a cozy nook was carved out under a vaulted ceiling by Taylor & Interiors. Underneath is handy storage for bathroom essentials like toilet paper and clean towels. A thick mattress like bench cushion makes the seat super inviting and convenient for activities like leg shaving or waxing. You can get pretty fancy with a window seat, case in point, this pink velvet example punctuated by a tufted headboard. This girly confection is by Brook Crew Interiors. Adding to the Nook's boudoir-like vibe is the contrasting floral wallpaper in Robin's Egg Blue. The nursery just may be the ideal place for a cheerful window seat. In this example, Elizabeth Brooke Design combined colorful fabrics with vibrant patterns to create a place perfect for daydreaming or nursing. The storage drawers below create ample room for diapers and other nursery essentials. If you are looking to add more living space to your home, consider cleaning out your attic. It is precisely what Jessica Helgerson Interior Design did when a client needed more room for a home office. To make the new space more inviting, the design team transformed the nook in front of the window into a day bed with a view. The collection of potted trees and plants on the right adds to the room's calming feel. Create a book nook suited for a party of one as shown in this room by Emerald Hill Interiors. The deep but narrow dormer window provides just enough space for one adult to cozy up with a favorite read. The black bench-styled cushion is comfy memory foam. Also note the heating vent underneath, as it keeps the seat occupant warm and toasty during the chilly winter months. Keeping things illuminated at night are the 2 sconces above. The one must-have accessory for a window seat like this one is a small throw, like the cashmere one shown here. This small beach-inspired bedroom by interior designer Jennifer Wirtz does not have a dresser. Why? Outfitting each of the 3 windows in the room are built-in seats with drawer storage. Topping off each place to sit is a gray cushion that coordinates beautifully with a blue striped Roman shade. Make extra room for family and friends in your living room with a window seat like this one by Blackband Design. There are actually 2, both flanking the fireplace. What we love best about this idea is that the window seats match the walls and pale neutral furniture, so they create more room to sit without adding visual clutter. There is no need to fight for the best seat in this basement playroom by Liz Carroll Interiors. Each window features a cozy bunk-style window seat for reading and napping. The drawer storage underneath provides space to stash toys and books. Brass porthole mirrors and ocean waves-inspired wallpaper makes the large room feel like a cabin on a ship. A bench window seat is paired with built-in bookshelves in this living room by Bria Hamill Interiors. Metal grille fronts on the drawers underneath the seat add visual interest to the traditional space. The 2 small wall scones with linen shades were included to add light whenever needed. No window seat is complete in our book without decorative pillows, and here one of them matches the Roman shade for a uniform appearance. If you fantasize about sipping espresso each morning in a window at a corner bistro, behold this ingenious twist on the window seat by Tiffany, the DIY behind the Tifforley. All it took was an inexpensive wood shelf and 2 metal stools to transform a small section of her living room into a breakfast nook with a view. While this window in a child's bedroom does not have a great view, it makes the most of natural light with a small place to sit. The team at Studio DB Custom built the entire storage, desk, and window seat unit to suit a tween. Bolster pillows make the window seat feel more like a mini sofa or love seat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.